Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Alexa Echo Dot. First, let's get your device powered on. Carefully unbox your Echo Dot and find the included power adapter. Connect the adapter to your Echo Dot, then plug it into a wall outlet. You'll see a blue light spin, then it will turn orange, letting you know it's ready for the next step. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Next, you'll need the Amazon Alexa app. Head to your phone's app store, search for Alexa, and download it. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one, don't worry. The app will guide you through creating a new account in just a few simple steps. This app is essential for managing your Echo Dot. Now, let's get your Echo Dot connected to your home Wi-Fi. In the Alexa app, tap the device's icon at the bottom right, then the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Amazon Echo, then select Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Plus, and more. The app will then walk you through connecting to your Wi-Fi network, asking you to select your network and enter your password. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for a smooth connection. Once connected, you can personalize your Echo Dot. Give it a unique name and assign it to a room like Living Room Echo Dot. This helps with smart home control. Then, dive into the Alexa app to explore thousands of skills, link your favorite music streaming services, and connect other smart home devices. Your Echo Dot is now ready. Just say Alexa to begin asking questions, playing music, or controlling your smart home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.